Buenos dias, holistic travel guy at the Senator Gran Via Spa 70 Hotel. This is our hotel room for the last 3 nights, complete with a little desk and light, a big TV, a little mini bar with fridge, which we just emptied. We're right in the middle of our breakfast with muesli and apple, and we also had a pastry. And here is the spacious bedroom. 2 twin beds with giant oversized long pillows, and there's some telephone and little nightlight service. Over in this area, the hallway, is a giant closet with plenty of room for hanging, and there's an ironing board that folds out with an iron, and a safe that we actually used and works well. And then in the bathroom, the giant tub. We never did get a chance to have a bath in a bathtub, but we did go to the spa downstairs. There's the sink with all kinds of toiletries, shampoo, and the toilet has got a twin. Next to it is the boudoir, and we all know what the boudoir is for. It's for washing those special parts. That's for washing our special parts. And that's it for this beautiful view out the window of Madrid at the Senator Gran Via Hotel. That's actually a market on the street down below. We're on the 6th floor. And there's a little bit of the skyline of Madrid. And the sun is just coming up over more to the right. The sky is just starting to get lit. So that's it for our tour of our room 610 at the Senator Gran Via. We'll see you in Barcelona.